Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Instagram broadcast channel, creator feature overview step by step clearly. To start using the Instagram broadcast channel feature, open the Instagram app on your device. Log into your account if you aren't already. From your home feed, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile page. Next, locate the menu icon in the top right corner and tap on it. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down and choose Privacy. Under Privacy, find and tap on Connections. If you're eligible, you'll see the option to create a broadcast channel. Tap on Create Channel. You will be prompted to give your channel a name. Choose a name that reflects your content or brand. Once you've named your channel, tap Next to continue. You will then be able to customize the channel settings. Decide if you want to allow direct messages from your followers. Adjust the settings according to your preferences. After configuring your channel, tap Done to finalize your setup. Your channel is now created and ready for use. To send a message, tap on the text box at the bottom of the screen. Type your message and hit the Send button. Your followers will be notified of your new broadcast. Encourage engagement by asking questions or prompting discussions. To check channel analytics, go back to your channel page. Tap on the Insights option to view metrics like message views and new followers. Regularly check your insights to understand your audience better. You can also share media like photos and videos in your broadcast. Simply tap the media icon and choose Files from your device. This keeps your content dynamic and engaging for followers. To promote your broadcast channel, share it in your main feed or stories. Keep your audience updated on new features and content through your channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.